How to unlock a 2004 Honda Pilot without key. Full guide. Most people get this wrong, but unlocking a 2004 Honda Pilot without the key isn't as impossible as it sounds. You won't believe how many safe methods exist that avoid damaging your vehicle. The first method is using a Slim Jim. Slide the tool carefully between the window and weather stripping to access the lock mechanism. Make sure you're familiar with the internal lock rods. Forcing the tool in blindly can bend or break them. A slow, precise motion is key. If a Slim Jim isn't available, try the wedge and rod technique. Insert a plastic wedge at the top of the door to create a small gap. Then, use a long rod or coat hanger to push the unlock button or lift the lock tab. Patience is crucial here. Rushing may scratch your paint or damage the weather stripping. For those who prefer tech solutions, a professional locksmith or mobile key service can provide a keyless entry device. These often involve programming a new key fob or using a slim, electronic unlocking tool. It's fast, safe, and avoids damage, though it may cost a bit more. Another tip, if you have roadside assistance through your insurance or a membership they can unlock your Pilot without a key, often for a minimal fee. This is a reliable and safe option if you're unsure about DIY methods. In conclusion, unlocking a 2004 Honda Pilot without a key comes down to three main approaches: using a Slim Jim, employing the wedge and rod technique, or relying on a professional locksmith or roadside assistance. Each has its pros and cons, but all are effective if done carefully. Always proceed with patience and avoid excessive force to keep your vehicle damage-free.